So, lalaroin natin today is yung use a hottie. So, ayan, try natin ito. So, use a hottie. So, ayan. Ayan siya. Okay, let's start. Okay, stage. Let's try stage 1.